Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Yes, students, we were looking exercise number 1.4. Last time we have seen two question, I think there 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now we are going to solve question number 4th one, which is very important question. It may be asked for 4 marks. Question number 3 you will try yourself. Question number 2 and question number 3 both are same, and you can do by same method. Okay, inshallah you will try at home. If you find any problem you can consult me. Now we are going to see question number 4. See everyone, question number 4 in your textbook. Fourth one, we have 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y. This is our first equation in question, and second one we have 1 upon 2 into bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 inside the bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. This one we have question. Okay, now see very well, everyone will cancel the first fraction formation. Okay, fraction form. So we'll suppose here we have the 1 upon 3x plus y, here is the same, 1 upon 3x minus y is the same. So we'll suppose this one, let a equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and b equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Okay, here we'll keep directly a and here we'll keep directly b. Same we have suppose here. So we'll keep here in first equation a plus b equal to 3 upon 4. It's our first equation. This is our first equation. Okay, now in second equation we have 1 upon 2 here. We'll separate this equation first like this one, 1 upon 2 and multiply by 1 upon 3x plus y. We'll separate like this, minus 1 upon 2 this one. Okay, and multiply by 1 upon 3x minus y equal to minus 1 upon 8. Here 1 upon, in place of 1 upon 3x plus y, will keep a. Here 1 upon 3x minus y, will keep here b. So you will get 1 upon 2a minus 1 upon 2b is equal to minus 1 upon 8. You got here like this equation. We can arrange this equation by multiplying, see 2 is divided, so by multiplied by 2 you can cancel the 2. In this equation you will multiply by 2 on each side. You will write like this statement. Okay, now you will multiply by 2 this equation, 2 into 1 by 2 8, 2 into 1 by 2 b minus 1 upon 8 into 2. You will get the cancellation of 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Here we will have, will get here a minus b is equal to minus 1 upon 4. It's your second, or you can say third equation. Before it was the second equation. Okay, see the third one and this is the first one. See, in the first and third, minus b and plus b, it may be easily cancelled by adding. So we will add to cancel the value of b to get the value of a. We'll add, or we'll write here statement adding 1 and equation number 3. We'll write this statement adding equation 1 and 3. The equation 1 we have a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. It is our first equation, and the third one is there a minus b equal to minus 1 upon 4 is the third one. If we'll add both one, The cancellation of will be b plus minus cancel 1a, you will get 2a. In denominator here we have the 4 will be as it is in denominator, or you know very well plus minus minus easily can be subtract both 1 plus minus minus 4 will be as it is 3 minus 1 you will get 2. Okay, the greater one is 3 upon 4, sign will is the positive, so we will take the with answer positive sign. Here 2 is dividing, okay, sorry multiplying. Now divide by 2 here, you will get a is equal to 2 upon 4, it will divide. The 2 will be cancelled, you will get 1 in numerator, means the value of a you will get here 1 upon 4. We got the value of a here, a means a value is there 1 upon 4. We'll put this value in his equation, means in first. We'll write here placing a equal to 1 upon 4 in equation 1. What's the 1? See, the 1 is there. A plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. This is our first equation. By keeping our value of a, we got here 1 by 4. Keep here 1 upon 4 plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. Now we will bring the 1 by 4. Right side you will get 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, value of b is equal to, same thing, denominator is the same, we will take at once, 3 minus 1 you will get 2, okay, 2 on the 2, 2 to the 4. Therefore, the value of b we got here, how much? 1 by 2. This is the value of b. Now we will resubstitute or replace the value of a and b. We will write here replacing a is equal to 1 by 4 and b equal to 1 upon 2. See the value of a here. We have the a means 1 upon a equal to 1 upon 3x plus y, and secondly we have the b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. If the value of a we got 1 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. It will have cross multiply, you will get their equation 3x plus y equal to 4 is the new equation, that is the fourth one. Here keeping the value of b, we got here 1 by 2 equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. Here also have the cross multiplication, we will get here equation 3x minus y equal to 2 is the fifth one. Now see, plus y minus y easily cancel, so we will add both 1, 4th and 5th. We will write here statement adding 4th equation and 5th one. The 4th one we have here 3x plus y equal to 4 is the 4th one, and 3x minus y is equal to 2 is the 5th one. It will add both the equations, you will get the cancellation of plus minus y, 3 plus 3 you will get 6x, 4 plus 2 you will get 6, x is equal to 6 divided by 6, 6 1 the 6, you will get the value of x 1, means we got the value x is equal to 1 is the first value. Now we will substitute the value of x in equation 4 or 5. Okay, now we will write here placing x equal to 1 in equation. Suppose we are placing in fourth one. The fourth one we have 3x plus y equal to 4 is the fourth one. Keep the value of x, we got here 1, y is equal to 4. Y will be as it is, 3 1 the 3 plus 3, bring the right side, minus 3 means 4 minus 3, you will get the value of y 1. Means we got the value of y is equal to 1. Here we got the solution x1 x comma y, that is the 1 comma 1 is our answer. I think you got everyone. Now be careful while solution. It is a major question, bigger question. It may be asked many times. It is already asked. Okay, you Do many time practice at home. Inshallah, we'll see next exercise next time. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.